Hello and welcome. Today we'll be going through the OptiAssist for Simcenter3D tutorials. This is the RDM tutorial 3 using the RDM trail to set up a topology study on existing mesh. As you can see, I have already loaded up the file. The first thing we are going to do is run a simple analysis. I go to static loads, make active, and then solve. Okay. We can close down all the windows and take a look at what is happening to the model. Double click results, and under results, subcase, displacement and magnitude. For the different subcases we can see what is happening to the model when put under the specified load. Once you're happy with that, we'll click return to home and begin the optimization setup. Under the OptiAssist ribbon, we'll click on RDM optimization, which will bring up the optimization setup window. Under the 6 tabs, we'll click on all 4 subcases, and then click next. Under the design rules, we'll click new. For the creation method, we want it to be an existing mesh. For the selection method, we want that to be selected. We'll click on select elements, attached elements, and click anywhere on the model. Once you've done that, we'll click validate mesh before clicking on finish. Once you have done that, we'll click next. Under the constraints tab, we'll change the min size control from none to min size, and the min size should be 8.5, approximately twice the average mesh size. We'll click next. Under the goal, we'll change this from minimize mass to maximize stiffness. I want the mass fraction to be 30%, or in this case 0.3. Selecting the load cases, and then we'll click next. No further constraints are required, so again we'll click next to the settings, and under the max design cycles we'll change it from 15 to 35. We'll click OK. And the model is now ready for optimization. If we click under the OptiAssist ribbon, we'll click on Solve, and the optimization will then begin to run. Once that is finished running, we can close the windows and take a look at the design history. So here the design history shows the convergence of the optimization, which, if we have a look at the constraint violation, supports the fact that throughout the design cycles it eventually hit 0, showing that the optimization has in fact worked. To review the optimization, we can click on RDM plot with the latest cycle, threshold on 0.5, click on plot. We can see the new model has been created with 30% of its mass now reduced. If we want to view the model as a smooth STL, we can click on Export Smooth STL, save. We can click on OK, open up a new file, and import it. This is what the model would look like as a smooth STL from the RDM optimization. Once you're happy with that, we can close that down and then update the model based upon the results. If we go to update model from results, reload the results, latest cycle, 0.8, and click on OK. Yes and yes. We can now see the new updated model with the low density elements removed. This concludes the tutorial.